question, Zane. I'm guessing we're going to have 4 inches.
Yeah, we can give up a few and we'll still have a cushion, Todd. Yeah, and well, I don't think we're going to be able to get rid of a lot of the snow here going forward this week because we've got fairly cold weather settling in as we go into this first part of December. Also, we've got a little bit more snow coming for, this is going to be mainly southern Iowa. We could see a little bit here in the Des Moines metro. Tomorrow on Monday, temperatures generally about freezing or below this week too. I think the highest high I put on the 8-day is 33 degrees, so just a degree above. And we might even actually have a sub-zero morning here, our first one of the season. That looks likely on Thursday morning right now. In the meantime, tomorrow, the main deal is going to be some snow moving into southern Iowa. This is the winter weather advisory we showed you earlier. This isn't going to be buried type of snow, but it's going to be enough to maybe cause a little bit more slickness to develop here as it moves in during the day. So you can see your purple colored county. These are the most likely areas to actually have snow accumulate tomorrow. So down into Marion County, Knoxville and Pella, there's Oskaloosa. You head along Highway 34 from Ottumwa over towards Albee and Sheraton and Osceola, and then everybody right along the Missouri border here too. Probably the heavier snow will be down into Missouri, but we'll still have at least some minor accumulations across southern Iowa. Right now across Iowa, just high pressure approaching. We've had a decent amount of cloud cover through the day, a few more clearer spots as you've gone farther off to the north, but with the high moving in, our winds will be pretty light tonight. Now you can't really make out this next weather system, but it's kind of a big dip in the jet stream right around here into portions of the Rocky Mountains there, but you can see a few pockets of some snow starting to flare up, one in Kansas. That's sort of the first signs of this little wave energy that'll come our direction. So the rest of tonight, we'll generally just see some clouds. There are some signs of actually a few pockets of some fog trying to develop where there has been some clearing tonight, but generally uptick in cloud cover is what we're looking at. Before the sun comes up tomorrow, you see here 6 o'clock on your Monday. A few flakes will probably start to fly in southwestern Iowa, and then the snow will become a little bit more widespread, especially I-80 southward as we head towards 8 and 9 o'clock. I think here in the Des Moines metro, probably somewhere between 8 and 10 is when we'll start to see a little bit more widespread snow. But it's mainly southern Iowa into lunchtime and then into the afternoon. That'll slowly pull away into the eastern part of the state, but again, might still have a couple of slick roads left into the evening commute here for a lot of folks and just some lingering clouds. I think the state is pretty completely snow-free again by probably 10 o'clock or midnight tomorrow. Not a ton adds up, but again, doesn't take much to cause some more slippery spots and some travel issues out there. So white colored band is generally a dusting to an inch. I think I could see probably an inch, maybe a little bit more here around the Des Moines area, and then 1 to 3 inches across southern Iowa, maybe a couple of spots, especially closer to the Missouri border, maybe sneak up to 4 inches. That's kind of the range that we'll look at potentially into tomorrow. Now tomorrow's December, but if we had one more day in the month in November, we'd be able to get a little bit higher up the list of snowiest Novembers, because with our big snowstorm over the weekend, we have gotten to the top 5 here in the Des Moines metro area of monthly snowfall, the highest totals in November. 1991 is the top spot. We're down here at number 5 with our 11 inches, almost all of that being this past weekend. So we're not going to get any higher than that, obviously, since we're done with the month after today. But with December starting tomorrow, first week of December, fairly cold. Notice the average high is lower 40s. Well, we're not going to be anywhere near that for a while here. Another couple of possibilities for snow here this coming Wednesday, and then Friday, Saturday. These are quick little hitting systems, probably nothing impactful. We're going to watch those once we get past tomorrow's little system. And also, we mentioned some of that sub-zero cold potential. That's most likely late Wednesday night and into Thursday. A cold front passes through Thursday. High pressure slides in then into Thursday morning. Winds die down, skies clear. You might be really chilly into Thursday and then just cold after that.